And in Colombia, No es hora de callar, translated as It's not time to be silent, is a campaign that began in 2010 with the objective of making violence against women journalists visible and that allowed the creation of law on the issues. Our colleague Valeria Cardona gives us the details.
The launching of the fund No es hora de callar, a law for women journalists, took place this Monday at the Colombian Congress of the Republic.
This fund is a law that makes it possible to collect resources to finance policies for the prevention and protection of women journalists. But this fund is also linked to other mechanisms that are part of the reparation of this painful and distressing case that Jineth Bedoya suffered because she was assaulted, raped, violated, and tortured 24 years ago while performing her work. The most painful thing is that the state did not protect her rights, and she had to make a huge struggle to reach international instances.
No es hora de callar began in 2010 as a campaign by journalist Jineth Bedoya Lima. Her case had to reach the Inter-America Court of Rights so that protection and reparation measures could be taken in the country.
The Inter-American Court accepted my request, and when the sentence was issued in October 2021, it said that an assistance fund had to be created, and I still saw it as a long way off, because to create a fund in Colombia, law is needed. So we had to draft a bill, we had to come to Congress to lobby for it, I personally came to lobby with the Congress, with the Senate, and I have to say that the full Congress voted unanimously. And today, September 9th, when it is not the time to be silent, we officially received the law that creates a unique fund in the hemisphere to help women journalists.
With tears in her eyes but with a firm voice, Jineth Bedoya dedicated this day to women journalists and to all those who communicate with their voices, their hands, and their being. She spoke especially to all women communicators who are in territory, where they are exposed to violence, and left a strong message to encourage them that their voices should not be silenced.
These proposals and these funds are a door and a window that opens up possibilities to continue doing our work of journalism, of communication, with a little more guarantees. It is really very complex to do journalism in the territories. The issues we normally have to talk about involve a risk, and this can be an important support as long as it is implemented in a really effective way.
This personal struggle that step by step became a collective struggle, which started as a sentence and today is a law of the Republic, according to members of the national government, a step forward in the protection of human rights for journalists, not only in Colombia but also in Latin America.
Valeria Cardona, teleSUR, Bogotá, Colombia.